Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that there is a state of panic all over and every rise in Nifty is being sold off. Everyone is worrying that where this fall will stop and when we will be able to see a fresh uptrend. The point is that the fear of corona is again all around the world and we are seeing the news related to the new variants of corona. So a situation of panic has been created in the market which has resulted into such sell-off. Till now, every analysis we shared was working and worked as we analyzed. But this video is somewhat not to analyze the levels but for your motivation and for making you aware that where this fall can stop. ठीक है और what can be the possible support areas where this fall should stop. So let us analyze today Nifty on daily time frame also so that we can understand that in the coming weeks what can be the probable movement Nifty can show us. ठीक है so every one of you who is watching this channel for the first time, I request all of you to kindly subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and then again start watching this video. ठीक है शुरू करते हैं. This is the daily time frame in front of you. ठीक है this is the daily time frame in front of you. As you can see, after this continuous rise, Nifty over here started creating a pattern which symbolizes a downtrend. ठीक है what is a downtrend? Downtrend is a phase when every low connected is lower than the previous low and every high connected is lower than the previous high. As we can see, a high somewhere here was created, then a high somewhere here was created. These two highs, this high was lower than the previous high. Same way, the low created over here is higher than this next low. So this is a clear cut symbolizes a downtrend. Market is in a downtrend. Overall trend is up, but in short term and medium term, market is in downtrend. Now what is important is that we need to identify some of the key levels, key support areas and key resistance areas which need to be crossed for enable us to understand that market might reverse. So for you, I have drawn earlier before starting this video, this is an important area which has some serious price action, and the importance of the area I'll explain by another methods also, but we can see that here it works as a resistance. And after this fall which we saw today, there is no other support which seems to be in area other than this. So I see Nifty coming up to this levels. If we talk about some specific level, so the levels comes around to 16,750. I see 16,750 to 800 coming on charts. Keeping in mind this support area over here, the area was working as a resistance, now should work as a support. ठीक है adding one more study for your comfort, let us use Fibonacci and see what is this retracement level, and I will be showing you very interesting level. As you can see and as if you know that if a trend has to reverse, it gives a confirmation if it crosses the level of 61.8%. And surprisingly, this area which we saw will or might work as a support is also 61.8 ka level. ठीक है so this level holds very much importance, and if this uptrend need to reverse for a downtrend, then this levels need to be broken. Means keep 16,750 to 16,800 as a very key level in your minds. ठीक है अब आगे चलते हैं. ठीक है this is just for your motivation, no key levels, nothing, no trading being done, only observing the markets. ठीक है उसके बाद हम देखते हैं, अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर तो जब ये फॉल आया था we saw this retracement, but there is no such retracement over here. There is no such retracement over here, and this is something how the market does not moves. Whenever the market falls or whenever the market rises, it always retraces. This is a normal phenomenon in market. Okay, but we are not able to see that right now. So what can be the probable scenario on Monday? we need to be prepared for both the things. We might see a free fall again on Monday like this and touching this point and might certainly get a rejection from this area. Or the another scenario can be that we might see a up move because this area is not created. This area similar to this area is not created right now over here, which is much very important, right? So if we see a up move on Monday, I see this area being respected as a resistance till the time this area is not touched. I see this area coming very soon. So if even if we go for a retracement upside, this area still can come. Okay, why I'm saying this? Because there is a trend line which is connected these highs, which is connecting these highs, and there is also horizontal resistance which is connecting these support areas, and these support and resistance areas might again work as a resistance because there are multiple confluences. One is this trend line, second is this horizontal resistance line. So this area over here somewhere around 17,700 to 800 holds a very important area which needs to be crossed on the upside, because it will result into break of this trend line, the break of this horizontal resistance. Then only we can see some positivity and we can see the removal of this dark clouds which have been created on our head by the bears. ठीक है, आगे समझते हैं इसको थोड़ा डिटेल में. Let us move to 2 hourly time frame. Downside I've already told you that this level can be seen, this level somewhere over can be seen because it is also 61.8% retracement of that uptrend and also a very important key level. Now let us see that till where this area can retrace, because this kind of retracement is not seen over here yet. So that too also we will be using Fibonacci tool. ठीक है, तो हम लगाते हैं पहले इस move के ऊपर and let us see. You can see very clearly that as we identified this area as an important area, this area is also important as per the Fibonacci retracement tool, because around this area only the 50% and the 61.8% levels are connected. ठीक है, तो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि जब तक ये एरिया ऊपर की साइड ब्रेक नहीं होगा तब तक हमें एक पॉजिटिविटी देखने को नहीं मिलेगी. And that is also complemented by Fibonacci. So there are 3 areas which makes 17,600 to 17,800 very important. One is the trend line, second is the horizontal resistance, third is the Fibonacci tool. Now let us also connect Fibonacci tool on this entire downtrend. On this entire downtrend, let us connect Fibonacci tool on that and let us see what are the key levels. Let us make this study interesting, because right now we have just things to study. We have to stay out of the market and observe what market is telling us. So if we connect Fibonacci with the highest point and the lowest point over here, surprisingly this area also now complements the 50% level which we already highlighted. So this big downfall can be controlled till the time, cannot be controlled till the time it does not breaks above this trend line, this horizontal resistance and the level of 17,800 as already informed. So it's 17,800, or we can say at the max 18,000 is the major area. You can see 18,000 over here and you can see also see the major price action over here. So this area at least need to be crossed on the upside for a positive move. And if you are an option trader, always keep in mind that this kind of retracement is still due over here. So don't blindly go for a put. We might see a retracement any time. Okay, and this is how the market moves. One more important thing, if you are new in the market, kindly just observe the market. If you are an investor and you are holding some fundamentally good stocks, this time will be a very good opportunity for you. Let these stocks which you are holding stabilize, consolidate and give sign of further rising up. That will be the best opportunity to buy those stocks and on discount. And for the traders, kindly stick to your stop losses. That is very important. Don't turn into an investor when you are a trader. Kindly book your losses as per your trading setup. Don't fight against the market. Market is supreme. Market has nothing against you, so you are also requested not to keep anything against the market and take what the market gives you. ठीक है, एक बार इसको हम छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे फिर देख लेते हैं, then we'll end the video. As you can see on the smaller time frame as well, you can see that this level over here is the previous high. So again, on smaller time frame also, this gray area holds very much importance and need to be broken above this for you to take only call trades. Till the time it's below this area, you are strictly not taking any call trades. There might be the very much scenario which we saw today, that every high will be sold off, so till the time this gray area is not broken, you are not taking any call trades. Okay, so this is not any kind of a trading advice, this is just basic understanding of the market, what the key levels are telling us, and I'm purposely ignoring the option chain because the levels itself inculcate the option chain analysis as well. So right now I'm just focusing on the price action and trying to see what the chart tells us, and chart tells us that the bears are in the driving seat, and till the time they don't leave the car and hands it over to the bulls, we are just observing it. And I repeat again, for the investors it can be a very good time to accumulate some shares, but only after the fall stops. Keep 20 to 30% of your capital intact in hand as cash, and for the traders, keep your stop losses intact and respect them. Respect the market, then only the market will allow you to stay in this field for a longer time. If you are able to survive this phase, you will be certainly making profits because your capital is limited, but the opportunities offered by the market are unlimited. Don't earn for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Let us start earning from the next after 3 months. But right now, be in the markets. Don't wash out your capital and see what market tells us. So this is all from my side today. Kindly stay motivated. These phases don't like last forever. As you can see in the long term chart as well, we saw this big corona fall. Again we recovered. Then we saw this fall. Again we recovered. Then we saw this fall. Again we recovered. Then soon this fall will also be recovered. Kindly stay, save your capital and be in the markets for the long run. Okay, I wish all of you a next very good week, and I hope that this downfall gets over very soon. I'll see you in the next educational video. Till that time, it's me, Karan Arora, signing off. Take care. Bye bye.